Hello, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Today we're going to go over 5 prominent male actors. They're the type that you see at Regency Theaters, Carmike, Cinema 5, popular movies like Indiana Jones, Apollo 13, The Wedding Singer. So let's take a look at what I have pulled up here. We've got Tom Cruise. He's probably undoubtedly one of the most successful, if not the most successful, top 5 probably. As far as movies, this is on YouTube, so it's not going to have their movies on here. But he was in Top Gun back in the 80s. Most recently, he was in Oblivion. He's been on Tonight Show, David Letterman, that type of thing. Usually has some young girlfriend. He's a pretty cool guy. The girls like him. He's into Scientology. He did a movie called Legend once. He did a movie called Risky Business. There he is on the red carpet. Famous wealthy actor. Let's see. What other movies was Tom Cruise in? So he's been in a whole lot of movies that were really successful. Here's Harrison Ford. He was in Indiana Jones and a President movie where he was the Air Force One. He's been in quite a few movies. There he is on Jimmy Fallon. Speaking with Jimmy Fallon. Let's see. Indiana Jones is probably his most famous movie, I think. That he's done a lot of really good ones. So, also he was in Star Wars way back a long time ago. That was his big movie. So he's a huge star too, and he has quality material. Oh, there's Tom Cruise again. Matthew McConeguhy is another good actor that I keep up with. He's been in a lot of good movies. I think it's called The Wedding Singer or something like that he was in. But he's been in a lot of cool movies and they're all really popular. He's pretty good. Pretty good actor. We should check him out on IMDb. Adam Sandler was in The First 50 Dates with Drew Barrymore. And so there's also in Happy Gilmore and some other movies. He's a pretty good general guy. He's pretty neat, famous actor, been on the red carpet, acknowledged by the industry. Be sure to check out your favorite actors and movie actors on IMDb for more information. Do a good deed today. Do your duty to God and your country. Remain physically strong, mentally awake, morally straight. And I will see you on the other side.